Now did I tell you that I quite enjoy Pilates, but I never knew that it could reduce your belly fat as well. Yes, you guys heard it right. Pilates is a great way to strengthen core muscles, increases the fat burning efficiency of the body, and reduces stress in your life. In fact, Pilates combined with another form of cardiovascular workout can provide huge weight loss benefits. Hi guys, do you know what Pilates is? Pilates is a type of exercise that focuses on improving flexibility, strength and body awareness through controlled movements. Coming on to the first exercise, leg stretches. How to do it? Lie down flat on the floor, bend your knees and raise your legs at 90 degrees. Now get your shoulders, neck and head slightly off the floor in one line. Place your arms flat on the floor on either side of your body. For a single leg stretch, straighten your right leg and take it as close to the floor as possible without touching it. Simultaneously, pull the left leg closer to the chest using your hands. Now, switch legs. Straighten your left leg and pull your right leg close to the chest. Maintain pointed feet throughout this exercise. For a double leg stretch, bend and straighten both legs together. Do a set of 8 repetitions. Now, it's time for you to follow me. Leg stretches involves bending and straightening your legs alternately as to contract and expand the abdominal muscles. Leg stretch also helps to reduce belly fat and tighten the stomach. This workout involves your core muscles. It also helps in increasing flexibility and range of motion. It also improves posture and physical performance. You need to take care of certain factors while stretching to prevent injuries. Warm-up exercises before doing leg stretch can increase the flexibility to your muscles and promote blood flow through them. Please use proper technique to avoid injuries and discomforts. Now, our next exercise is leg raises. How to do it? Lie down on your back, place your arms flat on the floor on either side of your body. Keep your knees straight and legs joined together. Raise your legs off the floor so that they make a 90-degree angle with your upper body. Lower the legs to place them back on the floor. Do a set of 8 repetitions. Now, all you need to do is follow me. Let's get started. When doing leg raises, use the strength in your abdominal muscles and raise your legs all the way up to 90 degrees and bring them back to the floor. This pressure burns belly fat and tightens the stomach, given that you're using your core muscles. The slower you do it, the more effective it will be. Leg raises also help to lose weight from the legs and lower abdomen. It tones, strengthens the muscles in your abdomen and legs. It is an effective exercise for lower abs. It also strengthens the hamstrings, calf muscles and glutes. It is a great exercise that can be done even while lying down in bed and helps improve focus and attention. When performing the leg raises, avoid arching the back. The back should be straight and pressed against the floor or exercise mat. As you engage the abs and get ready to raise the legs, you may forget to breathe due to tension. That is very wrong. Your raises and breathing patterns should be coordinated or should work together. This is because muscles require oxygen to work efficiently. Now guys, our third exercise is scissor kicks. How to do it? Lie down on a mat, place your palms under your hips, lift your head, upper back and legs off the floor. This is the starting position. Lower your left leg just before it touches the floor. Lift your left leg and lower your right leg. Do this 12 times to complete one set. Do 3 sets of 12 repetitions. Take a 20-second break before moving on to the next exercise. It's time for you to follow me. Ready? Let's get started. You know, as the name suggests, this Pilates exercise literally involves keeping your legs straight and crisscrossing them like the blades of a scissor. It works your lower abdomen, which is much more difficult to target during an abs workout. You may feel a tight pull in your abdominal muscles while doing this, as they are not only holding your legs off the ground but also being stretched as a result of the back and forth movement. The scissor exercise works the core muscles, ensuring stronger and healthier abdominal muscles, spine and abductors. This exercise also improves the posture of athletes and bodybuilders. Now guys, very importantly, if you're lifting your upper body, keep your posture straight and look up towards the roof. Lastly, do it on a mat, otherwise you can end up with a lower back pain. Our last exercise for today is crisscross. How to do it? Lie down on your back. Bend your knees at 90 degrees and lift your legs off the floor. Entwine your fingers at the back of your head. Get your shoulders, neck and head slightly off the floor in one line. Straighten your right leg and bring your left leg closer to the chest. Simultaneously, twist your upper body to the left. Now straighten your left leg and bring your right leg closer to the chest. Simultaneously, twist your upper body to the right. Do this in a continuous seamless motion. Repeat the set 10 times. Now, it's time for you to follow me. Let's get started. My trainer told me that there are a number of benefits to do the crisscross exercise. It works on the abdominal muscles, in particularly the internal and external obliques. These muscles run diagonally along with your sides from the lower ribs to the top of your hip bones. They turn on when compressing and forward bending the abdomen, as well as bending and twisting the torso to the side. Strengthening these muscles helps ensure you are doing a complete abdominal workout. In daily life, you need strong obliques to help you with bending and twisting movements. So, as we all know that Pilates is an effective low-impact workout, it is quite beneficial for toning up muscles, toning the core, reducing belly fat and improving posture. It may also help with recovery from back pain and other injuries by strengthening the affected area. If you're trying to lose weight, you can incorporate Pilates into your wellness plan. But as I always say, nothing works in isolation. So eat right and exercise regularly to reduce your belly fat. I advise you to consult a medical practitioner to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content on reducing belly fat.